Sukur म्हाका दिसता वैशाली खातीर on the every day by day the people have been growing, the campaign has been growing very positively for Vaishali, which can be seen with the number of people on daily basis. सगळ्या घरांनी वता थंय प्रतिसाद बरो मेळिल्लो आसा कित्याक शेवटी people have realized the people who are trying to play politics behind all these things. जे रुलींग पार्टीचे मशिनरी घालून कशे लोकांक त्रास करतात आनी कॅन्डिडेटाचेर दबाव हाडपाक कसो ट्राय करतात ते लोकांक एक्सपोज जाल्ले आसा. ताज्या खातीर आज टुडे वी आर इन शांतीनगर. दिस इज द एरिया वेर द ZP कॅन्डिडेट फॉर BJP स्टेज आनी ह्या हातून आमी जो घेतिल्लो आसा अतिश्ट बरो प्रतिसाद मेळ्ळा आनी वी एक्सपेक्ट दीस नंबर्स टू ग्रो. One thing I can say with the theme of Porvorim Rising, we are 110% going to take a sizable lead in Sukur constituency, which includes all the 4 panchayats of Sukur, Giri, Parra and Saligaon. Kal Giri meetings, like coordinate meetings, we have had very good response. All the punch members, panchayats have started working towards ensuring Vaishali winning with a big margin. And the surprise factor is going to be Parra. The man who has been there as a minister in Bardes will get the message on 23rd of March with Parra votes itself.
When you talk about Sukur, at one point Sukur Panchayat is not with you, so would it make any difference or something?
See, we believe in the people of our areas. Sukur constituency, elected members, सहजाण जरी BJPन गेल्या ते कित्याक गेल्या हे एक्सपोज जाला लोकां कडेच. कोणाचेर केस ठोपल्या, कोणाचो स्कॅम आसा, कोण कित्याक गेला, खंयच्या दबावाक गेला. ऑल द 6 members may justify to their own people. We don't have to. As far as Vaishali is concerned, she is a sitting ZP. I am been the MLA in this area. We have performed in these last 5 years and people are strongly behind us. Very important is the people to be there. लोकांची शक्ती ती आमची शक्ती म्हणून परत we are able to get ourselves elected because of our people's blessings on us. So I am sure again that things will go in the same way. People, the way it is going and the way we are getting response, I can assure you all that victory is already assured for us. It's only the margin which we are working on now.